For me, being a UX/UI designer means the process of designing a system for the people the way they are naturally, not the way that we want them to be. And when we design technology to be a collaborator, a team worker with the people to provide their need and a great experience for their satisfaction and happiness. The first time I heard about UX design, especially, which is the term user experience, it was back in time when Apple released their iPhone 4. When I saw that it's only a screen, I started reading about it. I was curious about why did they do that? What was the idea behind it? And I read that it's for the experience of the user. I didn't really give that attention to that term, honestly. Now, fast forward many years, I do understand what they were going to and what was their intention, and the reality that it's an amazing thing what we can do with UX and UI. What really wowed me in the UX industry is the seamless experience that we are having with it every single day, and the magnificent effect that it has on us, that is actually providing for us so much benefit, and at the same time it could provide for us so much damage. Because if I'm being honest, the most evil industry after marketing is design, because with design you can literally control people, you can have so much potential impact on them without even knowing it. And that is really obvious if you actually look at Instagram. Back in time, they were focusing on adding posts, but right now the middle section for Instagram is actually going to show you the Reels, which takes so much from your time. So technology and the user experience that you're facing every day could control your life to some point. I think the design market in general in our country is growing up, and it's at the growth phase, which means the more people that can come in, the better. But it's always important to care about the quality, because these companies that are growing need a designer, as someone that will understand their needs, their customer need, to provide for them that experience that everybody wants. So I think it's growing, but what we are missing right now is having that quality, that great quality, to control it and to bring the company to a better stage.